Hey guys, apologies again for being away so long, but I'm back with the Jawbreaker palette. I'm going to start with the shade Wow, and I'm going to place that right on the inner corner and up to the brow. Then taking the orange shade Suck, I'm going to place that right next to it and blend between them both. Then using the shade FUCK, sorry guys, I don't want to get demonetized, I'm placing that right next to the orange and again blending it into that and blending it up towards the brow bone. Then taking the red shade Licorice, I'm going to place that on the outer corner. Then I'm using the white shade Virgin to highlight the brow bone and also blend out over the top. Then to cut out the crease, I'm using the Louise base in the original shade Rumour. Now to set the lid, I'm going to use the shade Lemon Drop on that first inner corner section. Then next to that, I'm placing the shade Orange Juice. Then blending into that orange shade, I'm using the red shimmer shade called And What. Then I'm going back in with Licorice to deepen the outer corner. For my waterline, I'm using the NYX Jumbo pencil in the shade Milk. Then on the lower lash line, I'm using the corresponding colours that I used on the crease. Here I'm just using a previous fluffy brush just to help blend out the lower lash line. On the other eye, I'm going in with the green shade Sour. Then next to that, I'm placing the shade Cute. And blending into that teal shade, I'm using the blue shade Brain Freeze. Then on my outer corner, I'm using the purple shade Gumdrop. And once again, I'm using the white Virgin shade just to highlight the brow bone. Once I've cut the crease, I'm using the shade Jawbreaker to set that on the inner corner. Then blending into that, I'm using the purple shimmery shade Bite Me. Then I'm just going back in with Gumdrop to deepen the outer corner. And then I'm repeating the steps I did on the other eye with the corresponding shades. Then I'm just adding a big wing using a brush liner. Then I'm just giving my lashes one coat of mascara on the top and bottom. And I'm adding false lashes. These are by Girls with Attitude in the style Viper. Thank you guys for watching this video, and if you managed to watch the whole way through, I know it's more of a longer one. Hopefully I'll have a video up soon. Let me know if you have any suggestions. Of course, I'm going to do more looks with this palette, and I will see you on my next one.